Okay, hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. Homework, classwork 4.3 is due. Um, Test will be open Wednesday or Thursday. Let's work these percent problems. Remember, you have is over of equals percent over 100. And this is called the part, and this is the whole. Write that down. Part and whole. All right, so if you look here, of 60. So that's your of, so it goes in position 2. So something over 60. Here it says what percent. So you're looking for the percent. So put an X right here. And so this must be the is. So put a 5 here. So you're going to cross multiply. So you're going to get 500 divided by 60. When you do that, you get 8.3%. And there it is. And that's how you do that. This one right here, it says original price was $4. Now it's $5. So you take difference divided by original. Again, these are formulas you need to know. So the difference is 1 and the original is 4. Take your calculator, you get 0.25. So it's a 25% increase. What does that mean? Well, before you paid $1, now you're paying $1.25 for the same thing, called inflation. All right, let's go on. Copy this one down. This one is out of the book. See if you can work it. Well, draw your line. You're going to distribute. Make sure you do 3 times 1. That gives you 12x. Now what you want to do is add 3 to both sides. When you do that, you get 12x is equal to whatever that is, negative 24. And then you divide by 12. I'm getting a negative 2. Remember, one negative is a negative. So negatives. 1 is a negative. 2 is a positive. 3 is a negative. 4 is a positive when you multiply or divide. All right, copy all of these notes down. We're going on to chapter 10. Okay, well, you know about the rectangular coordinate. That's this. That's an x, and that's your y. The x's are called your abscissa. So this is an abscissa. The y's are called the ordinate. Those are the ordinates. Okay, so graph them. You start at the origin. Negative 2, you go left and right first. So left or right, and then you go up or down. Okay, write that down. So here you're going to go negative 2 to the left, and then up 4. That is in quadrant 2. This one is negative 1, and then down 3. Okay? And that is in quadrant 3. Okay, again, abscissa, ordinate. All right, let's go on. We're going to learn how to graph some lines, so copy these two down. Okay, so to graph a line, you have y equals mx plus b. So that equation, this is your y-intercept. So here the y-intercept is negative 2. So go down 2. Your slope, put a 1 under here, is right here. So you're going to go down 2 from this point. So down 2, and then to the right 1. You go to the right 1 because it's positive. And that line looks like that. And that's what you're doing today. Try this one. Now actually, you know, this one right here, let me switch it, try that one. Okay. So this one you're going to go down to, put a dot. Let me see here. Actually, I might have mixed these up. So let's just do this one over. So go down to, put a dot. The slope is 3 over 1. So you're going to go up 3 and then over 1. So it looks like that. Okay, that's better. This one right here, you're going to go up 3 and the slope is down 2 and to the right 1. So you should know how to graph a line. Now let's say you have this one. So put 2x plus 3y equals 6. Copy that one down. What you need to do is get y by itself. So you're going to move the 2x, and that becomes a negative. Then you're going to divide by 3, and when you divide by 3, you get this. So the y-intercept is up 2. So you're going to go up 2. The slope is down 2 and over 3 from that point. So down 2 and then over 3. And there it is. And that's called a negative slope, by the way. Okay, today's work is right here. Copy that down. We're not going to go into the parabolas today. This is called a parabola. Well, let's talk about college algebra. Copy that one down. Okay, so homework and classwork is due. And your test will be opened on Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure which day. All right, so let's work this. Remember the rules. You can combine any two, but then you have to combine the third one. Now, all of these are y's. So I'm going to combine these two right here because they get rid of this. So I get 5x, right? 4 plus 1 plus 3z is equal to negative 1. Okay, so I got a new equation with two variables. Now I'm going to use this equation with one of these at the bottom. I'm going to use this one and this one because it's a plus and a minus. Okay, so you have to use that one. Well, this and this, the x cancels. And the y cancels. So this gives me a negative 6z is equal to a negative 18. So I get z is equal to 3. So now I know z. So x, y, and z. Now I plug this in right here for the z and find x. So I do 3 times 3, which is 9. And then I work that out. So I'm going to subtract 9. This one almost looks like a decimal here. Let me just take a look at it. When I subtract 9, I get 5x is equal to a negative 10. I get x is equal to negative 2. Okay? And then you pick any one of these equations and you use your z and your x. All right, today you have a worksheet, and your worksheet looks like this. I want you to do 1 through 12. Okay, so today's Monday, 1 through 12. Write that down. All right, if you get stuck, ask for help. And there's your worksheet if you can't be with us. Have a good morning.